All right, guys, here we are with the mask. I promised you a mask, and here it is in this video. So, what I learned is, one, it's very difficult to bend eyes for the mask and make it fit the whole mask. This is basically, if you guys know about Ferrero Rocher, this is like packaging from Ferrero Rocher that I turned into eye sockets for this mask here, this nice pajama mask that I've made. So one of the issues that you will find is that, number one, I can't tell you if this happens to be a galactic being that was created in a lab or the real thing. But if it were a realistic one, what I would imagine it to be is most likely it would have like a shrunk in chin like this. Of course, this would wrap around like this. And the reason why this wraps around like this is if this were to be a mask, or even if it were to be a creature with just a better vision than humans, then it would want to have the greatest possible fisheye lens possible that you could have, because our regular eyes will have a lot of issues. But if you have an eye that's made like this compared to the human eye, you would get a wide angle view, and possibly if you used both of them together, you could get almost a 360-degree vision, which is not possible as humans, but it may be possible if you are somebody in the military who needs to have a mask on that will give you a much wider range of vision, which is great for the battlefield. But also, if you are an advanced being, why not incorporate that into your actual ability? So whether this is something that's just government made, or it is something that is actually become natural because of evolution or whatever, that's probably what they would want to have. One of the biggest things that we find out when you actually go sparring and you wear one of those helmets that protects your head is you have very limited vision below and to the sides and even above. It protects your face well, most of those masks or helmets, but that gives you a clear disadvantage over your opponent who, for instance, may not be wearing one at all, and therefore their vision is better than yours and they can hide out of reach. Anyway, look at this. This is the kind of thing that you find on Elon Musk's, the honeycomb pattern is something that you'll find on Elon Musk's rockets. Why is that useful? It's also because it also allows for bending. Look at this. You could bend the face, which means that if this is a mask that the military is using, the helmet will be able to form fit to pretty much any size of head and whatever. So that means they don't have to keep making different size helmets. They can just have one that anybody can wear. So the honeycomb system allows for that, so that all soldiers can wear this, and you just make one helmet that size fits all, right? Especially if you could make a system like this that's organic, perhaps it could squish and, like Ninja Flex, it could bend and stretch and then go back to its original size, original position, just like that. And they say there are meta materials as well, that we've got Ninja Flex now and other materials that we can actually build on planet Earth that are proven scientifically that exists, but did not in a long time ago, which is why perhaps they only existed on the surface of the moon. Some may say. I'm not sure if that's true. But anyway, so those are a lot of things that I have learned about this. And then also the ability to bend and flex the shape of the head. That also helps. Again, I've not finished here. There's so much more to do with the honeycomb. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video that I made here. And I hope this helps you understand more about the galactics and how they may actually exist in real life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.